Bet you missed the whole thing, didn't you? Direct your attention to the top left corner.
Just like nauseous, and I don't really know why. Like, I have tried.
Do you see it now? What the hell could that be? Why is it just standing there? What's more, I'm sure you're missing something else. When Dustin walked past this creepy figure, you can hear a strange rumbling sound. Listen.
I have tried to, like, take.
But that's not all. Keep watching.
But if you wanted to swing by, and say, hey, like, you could. Oh, I can't see.